Hello guys, el día de hoy we work with this page number 89, página 89, page 89, and we have an audio that way we can complete this activity. We have this weather, sunny, rainy, windy, and snowy. Vamos a escucharlo. Let's listen to the audio and put the numbers in the correct order. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. They're gonna mention the weather and we're gonna put the numbers where they belong. Okay, so let's go.
Track 62. What a strange day. 1.
It's very sunny and I'm hot. I'm wearing my shorts and sunglasses. But wait,
It's sunny today. It's really hot. Oh my god. Hot. Okay. And I'm wearing my shorts and glasses. What weather is that? Vamos a ponerle el number 1. Number 2.
2.
now it's very windy. It's cool. I'm wearing pants, sneakers, and a jacket.
Okay, now it's windy. Windy. I'm wearing my jacket, shoes, pants, because it's cool. Okay? ¿Cuál clima será? What weather? Let's put the number 2 on it. Okay? Now,
Hold on!
number 3.
3.
And now it's raining. I'm wet. I'm wearing my boots and I have an umbrella. What now?
Okay, now it's rainy. Ooh, rainy. I'm wet. And I'm wearing my boots and umbrella. Rainy. ¿Qué quería decir eso? Number
4.
4.
It's snowing. I'm cold.
Ooh.
I'm wearing my scarf and gloves.
Scarf.
What a
Gloves.
strange day.
Ok. ¿Dónde debió haber quedado ese número 4? Number 4. Para que lo completen. Y bueno, con esto terminamos la clase del día de hoy. Tomorrow, Thursday, I will see you here. Los voy a ver aquí. Entonces, bueno, esto fue lo que hicimos. Los que faltaron, por favor, please do your work. And yo lo reviso el día de mañana, ok? See you later. Bye.